You're back! I missed you so much. Oh, my shiny buttons! This is the Space Cinema. My cousin Bite works here. Hello.
Hi there!
It's time to ask Bite. How are you?
How are you?
I'm well. And how are you?
Now it's time to answer. Say, I'm well.
How are you?
I'm well.
Great! This was fun! Bye for now, friends!
Bye, Bite. By the way, we can watch cartoons in one of our expeditions. Let's go! High five! Ready, set, go! You're back! Let's open today. It's time to open it. Tap the box. Yay! We found my space helmet. Now I have all the costume parts. Drag it onto me to put it on now, or onto the suitcase to try. Good job! Let's go to the most exciting places on Earth and take more beautiful photos. Tap on the deck box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here they are, our new Cosmo cards. Let's give them a tap. Jungle, jungle. Desert, desert. Mountain, mountain. Volcano, volcano. Waterfall, waterfall. Nice work! All cards are activated. Quest accomplished. A new challenge is ready. Let's dive in. Yay! Listen to the word Sparky says, then tap the correct card. Ready, set, go! Waterfall? Waterfall! Cool! Volcano? Volcano! That's right! Mountain? Mountain! Great! Jungle? Jungle! Very good! Desert? Desert! Good job! Sweet Matrix! You're doing great! Adventure completed! New adventure unlocked. Let's check it. Give this card another tap. Cool! Time to activate the card with your voice. Repeat after Sparky. Say, waterfall, waterfall.
Waterfall.
Super! Say, volcano, volcano.
Volcano.
Good job! Say, jungle, jungle.
Jungle.
Great! Say, desert, desert.
Desert.
Cool! Say, mountain, mountain.
Mountain.
Great! Oh my, that was great! I've got electric goosebumps. Got all 3 stars, yay! Quest accomplished. A new challenge is ready. Let's dive in. Help me and Sparky find matching cards. Mountain, desert. Jungle, mountain. Mountain, mountain. Mountain! Well done! Volcano, jungle. Jungle, jungle. Jungle! Very good!
Waterfall.
Desert.
Desert.
Desert. Desert. Well done.
Volcano.
Volcano. Volcano. Great.
Waterfall.
Waterfall. Waterfall. Great. Sweet Matrix. You are doing great. Adventure completed. New adventure unlocked. Let's check it out. Let's see what's next. This looks amazing. Tell me what it is.
Waterfall.
Cool. Waterfall. Oh, this looks dangerous. What is it?
Volcano.
Cool. Volcano. It is a dry and sandy place. What is it? Great. Desert. What do we call this tropical forest?
Jungle.
Well done. Jungle. Wow, what is this so high?
Mountain.
Super! Mountain. Yay! We've gathered all the stars! Adventure completed! Great job! You've earned a new item! Fantastic! These places are wonderful! I feel so happy! Let's see what's next! Drag it onto me to put it on now, or onto the suitcase to try. Good job! Mission completed! New treasure unlocked! Time to see what it is! Thanks for showing me your planet! I'm sure I'll win the photo contest with these great pictures. Your planet is amazing, and we need to take good care of it. Now, let's go on more adventures! Drag it onto me to put it on now, or onto the suitcase to try it on later. Very good! New quest unlocked. Let's explore it. Tangled wires! Time to heal the zombie bot! Pick a card. What do we call this tropical forest?
Jungle.
Good job! Jungle! Wow, what is this so high?
Mountain.
Well done! Mountain! It is a dry and sandy place. What is it?
Desert.
Very good! Desert! This looks amazing. Tell me what it is.
Waterfall.
Very good! Waterfall! Oh, this looks dangerous. What is it?
Volcano.
Great! Volcano! You are a true space friend, Buddy. Thank you for always being here. Hooray! We saved the Buddy bot! Great job! I even got electric goosebumps! Quest accomplished! Now's a good time for something cold and with vegetables. Salad. Crunchy green magic. Thank you. I'd love something hot and white, please. I like rice. Thanks, friend. Can I have a white drink, please? Yay! I got milk to drink. Many thanks. A green vegetable would be great right now. How are veggies for me? Thank you. Something sweet, please. Chocolate magic for my taste buds. Thank you. All full. Let's go explore. Icky insects itch. Pink pigs play. Look at this planet! Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, and it's small and round like a little space ball, much smaller than Earth. Hey, I remember this hot planet. Mercury has no air to breathe, no water to splash in, and no plants or animals at all. It's also very far away from Earth, so we'll just wave hello from here. Nice new neighbor's nap. Let's go to sleep. R A B B I T R A B B I T Rabbit, rabbit. All rested. Let's go explore. Let's help Buddy Bots. Sweet Matrix! The virus is spreading. We must aid this bot. Pick a card. Tell me what shape this is.
Star.
Very good. Star! What color is this?
Black.
Well done. Flop! Oh, these are very tasty. What are they?
Pancake.
That's right. Pancakes! Which body part is between your head and shoulders? Neck.
Neck.
Very good. Neck! Name this action. Add.
Add.
Super! What do we do with a salad before we start eating it? Mix.
Mix.
That's right! Mix! What shape is this?
Triangle.
Well done! Triangle! You are a true space friend, Buddy. Thank you for always being here. Cool! The bot can continue its mission now. That was cool. Bor will see. Pants. Leg. Sneaker. Pants. Sneaker. Shirt. Tank top. Pants. Sneaker. Cap. Glasses.